Today I'm going to give you a short video about growing super hot chilies in tropical climates like the Philippines. Some of you guys over in the US think, oh, it's great because yes, we can grow them all year round, but the problem here sometimes is too much heat and drought, and so this is one here that I put into the ground to save it, because a lot of mine in the pots didn't make it with the dry period we had, even though we were watering them. The heat was too much as well. This is a shaded place now, and this is going to be I have some tomatoes growing here. When they're gone, this is going to be my chili bed, and so for my next crop. So now I'm going to show you how we grow them and how quick they grow. Today I want to give a shout out for my friend Rob from 7 Pot. Rob helped us with our chili competition and been a good support to me. That's through our charity, and so Rob helped out with that. Rob is 7 Pot Club. The link will be up there in the top, and it'll be at the end of, it'll be in the bottom of the page. It'll be in the description, I should say. Today I'm going to grow some sort of a scorpion. Somebody just gave it to me. He gave me 2. It's nice to get 2 because sometimes you'll get one and they mightn't be nice inside and you're not going to grow them. I'm going to use gloves when I'm cutting these up. What do I use for medium? That's what everyone says to me. I use whatever is available, a mixture, garden, soil. I don't grow anything with, starting off you don't really need anything with too much nitrogen or anything in it, just a little bit. I mix called coconut coir. Now, coconut coir is, we have everywhere in the Philippines there's coconuts. You see there's coconuts up there. Coconuts, the shell off them, we beat them with a stick and we get this stuff and we mix it with the soil. So down here I have prepared 1, 2, 12, 15. I'm going to grow, there'll be more than 15 seeds, nearly guaranteed there'll be 40 seeds in one of these. I'm going to try this one first to see what's like inside. Somebody just gave me this chili the other day and he doesn't know what it is. I know it's some sort of scorpion, whether it's the original Trinidad or it's a scorpion chili, or hot pepper as you call them. I think the guys, the people that grow what's called super hots recognize the fact that everywhere else in the world they're called chili, not hot pepper, because they're more than hot, aren't they? Super hots. And on the outside of this, I was hosting a competition the other day, and I didn't wear gloves, and I think you can see the video there. And 7 Pot, they were one of the sponsors along with myself. I got seriously sore hands and arms and everything, and some of the competitors put their fingers in their eyes, and it's our first time to do something like that, and it's part of our charity. There's probably about 40 seeds in this. I can feel the water there now in most of them. I'll just pour more water into this one, and then after an hour I will drain them all off. They're out of the pot, out of the fruit. In the fruit, when you're getting them, is different. Now, how long does it take here? Not as long as it takes you guys, okay? Some of them come up in a matter of a couple of days. We're into the thing, and then we'll drain them off after about 30 minutes. What I do then is I don't put them in the sun, but I put them in, if the sun, where the sun comes in the morning usually, the temperature, it's all got to do with temperature. It don't need light at this stage, but the minute they pop up I try and get them more light. And since we sowed the seeds for these, and as you see, almost all of them came up. This is the last one here. Actually there's one just coming up here. Of all the ones I sowed, and we only put 1 seed in each, only 2 didn't come up. 15, 20, 25, 30. It's actually 30 out of 32. These are Scotch bonnet that I sowed approximately 32 days ago, just a little over 1 month. And I've been careful with these not to give them too much sun, so they're in the shade now. It's lunchtime, Yeah, it's 12:15, so we give them a bit of sun in the morning, then I put them, I don't want to give them full sun, and they're doing well. They're doing fine for 1 month. Now I've got my hand here, they're pretty good. They need to be, I don't know, I'm going to only top some of them this year. Normally I top everything, but I don't need to pot them up yet. I have some other ones there that need to be potted up. I'm going to put some of them directly into the ground when they get big enough, and I'm not going to go intermediate with them. Thank you very much for watching this video of how we grow hot chilies or hot peppers, or super hots as we call them here in the Philippines. It's unseasonably very warm today, not normally this warm, but if you like my video, please subscribe to this new channel. I know some of you are on my other channel as well. You can subscribe to both our channels as well. And thank you once again for watching.